Hey guys, it's Annie. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a pink eye look using Laruce brushes. This video is sponsored by Laruce, by the way. You guys already know that I love them. I've worked with them in the past. And yeah, I'm just really excited to get into this look. I haven't done a pink eye look in such a long time. I also had a lot of coffee today, so I'm like, so my hands might be shaking for this. But yeah, let's just get into the video. I already cleaned all the brushes because honestly guys, I really use these all the time. This is gonna be the Sydney brush set, and it has every single brush that you could possibly need for an eyeshadow look. And honestly guys, they're just some of the best brushes I've ever used. The foundation brush that I used in one of my other videos, this is the Kabuki brush. I've been using this guy to apply my foundation and my powders like every single time that I do my foundation. I just wanted to update you guys on that. I've been obsessed with that brush. In that first video, I was kind of just playing around with brushes. I've told you guys that I normally had used sponges to apply my foundation. So it's kind of a new thing for me, but it's been my everyday brush since. Okay, so for the eyeshadow look, like I said, I'm gonna do like a pink eyeshadow look. I wanna use the new Hello Kitty ColourPop palette here. This is the Cherry Sweet palette. I'm just dipping into that hot pink. It's like a matte hot pink. These brushes just hold pigment so well. Doing an eye look is honestly effortless. If you guys didn't know, Laruce Beauty is actually based in California. All the products are hypoallergenic, they're vegan, cruelty-free. They're also biodegradable, so these are made of 60% recycled materials. I love a company that really cares about the environment. You think that it would be common practice now, but it's really not. Oh, I forgot to let you know what brush I'm using. So this is the Tapered blending brush. So obviously I'm using this guy for my crease. I'm also just gonna drag this down to the outer corner of my eyelid. Okay, so I think I'm gonna cut the inner crease here and then maybe do like a black graphic liner. I've been really into graphic liners lately, so let's see if this works out. I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills primer, and I'm actually gonna use the pencil brush here to lay this on because this will allow me to be precise right in here. And I'm not going for like a super cut look. I just mainly wanted to clean this up so that the other shadow really shines through because it's obviously going to be a lighter color. Alright, now I'm going into that metallic shade. It's like a metallic pink, it's called Lemonade. Ooh, yes. So I just laid that down with my finger first, and then I'm going into the shadow brush. And this is a little bit more of a dense brush, so I would say that it's kind of like a packer brush for packing on eyeshadow. At least in my opinion, that's what I would use it for. Oh wow, so this side I didn't use my finger, and you can see it works just as well. Normally I love using just my finger. I've found that that was the best way of applying metallics for the best pigment, but I mean, you guys see this applied exactly the same, which is really hard to find in a brush. These brushes are also non-comedogenic, so they're not going to clog your pores. And if you wanted to see them in person, they actually have a partnership now with Nordstrom, so you can go right in stores and check them out. Okay, now for the liner part, I'm going to go into the ColourPop Stone Cold Fox palette and just take that black, and I'm going to be using the small angle brush. Okay, so I'm going to start right here. Slightly go down and then back up. And I'm just doing this to the inner corner to almost just fade it out a little bit. Right, now I'm gonna do the other side before we start the wing part, just to make sure that we get this part right. think that looks as close as we can get it. Now, I wonder if I should do almost like a double wing. Let me see. It's hard for me to explain. It's kind of like boop, 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 like curve out, curve in. All right, we're going places. I kind of like it just like that, but let's connect it anyway. Starting to drop the ball, hang on. See if we can fix it. And then I'm just tying in some liner on the end there. I think I'm gonna do the inner corner here just slightly, give it a slight cat eye look. Another thing that I will say about these brushes is I actually used this eyeshadow palette yesterday. Yeah, yesterday for a ColourPop video where I reviewed the Hello Kitty collection. And this eyeshadow palette had a lot of fallout and I was not using these brushes for it. So I really wonder if that had something to do with it. I feel like it does. Because like I said in the beginning of the video, these brushes really do hold pigment. I mean, if you watch that video and then you're watching this one too, you'll really be able to see the difference. All right guys, I'm gonna pop off camera real quick. I'm just gonna do some end lashes and yeah, I think that's it. It doesn't really need anything else. But yeah, I'll be back. All right guys, this is the finished look. This is a very Bratz inspired makeup tutorial without even trying. But doesn't it look like a Bratz doll? Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments down below. Make sure to give this video a like if you liked it. Definitely check out Laruce brushes. I'll have them linked down below as well. And yeah, make sure to subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. I love you guys so much and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.